Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss about the mobile expression panel. So basically friends, here previously I done so many videos related to this. So in this video I am going to clear all your doubts so you can get the free Amazon gift cards in this. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts you can comment down below. Before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also there is a giveaway going on in our channel. You can get the chance to win the YouTube Premium membership for the free for the 6 months. So I will give the link in the description, you can check it. So now let's get into the topic. So let us open the mobile expression app. So basically friends, here you will be getting the free Amazon gift card. So let us open it and I will show the proof also. So many of you are not unable to redeem this also. So in this video I am going to show you how you can redeem. So if you are unable to, if you redeem already, there are some comments I am getting that already 1 month over I did not got this. So if you did not got anything friends, just you can mail to them so that they will be sending the coupon code, gift card also. So as you can see here, just click on it, just go to the order. So click on your name and click on orders. So as you can see here friends, this all my gift cards which I have been redeemed previously. So this all, and also in other mobile also I installed, so I got all the redeem also. So I redeemed all the gift card also. So I will show you, I am redeeming in another mobile, so I will show you in this video. So this is my another mobile, so I will click on continue. As you can see here, I opened the mobile expression. So if you are not it, so for example they are saying the 2 to 4 days to wait to get the gift card. So let us open it once. So let us close it. So as you can see here, I am opening the gift card. So let us open it once. So as you can see here friends, I have an 120 credits over here. So we need an 80 credits to redeem the Amazon gift card. So let us click on it. So once you click on it, just scroll down below. So click on add to cart. So once you're done, so you need to just check out. So click on checkout. So here you need to enter your name. So I will enter my brother name. So once you're done, as you can see here, we are getting in the 80 credits. So new balance is 40 credits. So once you're done friends, so here friends, you no need to enter any email ID. If you enter also no problem. If it asks, just you enter. If you don't want to enter, previously it will take the which you are registered for this. So it will take the Gmail and they will send to that Gmail ID. So once you click on the place order. So once you're done, as you can see here, your order is placed. So let us click on it. So once let us go, click on 3 lines and click on your name and click on orders. So once you click on it, so as you can see here, it is my first redeem which I am redeeming. So they are telling that 2 to 3 days friends. So basically if you not get 2 to 3 days, after 3 days you can contact to them. Basically you can contact to them, and once you contact, you will get in 2 to 3 hours friends. So I already done this process to within my friend mobile also. Here after the 3 days he did not got any gift card from the mobile expression. So just I contacted them, just I wrote like this. So after 3 days I redeemed in the previous 4 days it happened, but I did not get any of the gift card. So I mailed to them. So within the 2 hours I got in this mail. So you can just mail to them. So you can also just friends, what you can do is, so here to get the card, so just you need to, in this video, so you can just have your, so you can just keep this app and you can start earning the free gift card friends. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.